The word factory usually brings to mind massive smokestacks and hundreds of employees. But the world has changed. Today, high-precision manufacturing has shrunk down to the size of a microwave. We are entering the era of the micro-factory, where a single person can run a production line from a spare bedroom or a garage. In this video, we are exploring 10 mini-industrial machines that do not just make things. They build entire businesses. From recycling raw copper to manufacturing plastic parts, these tools allow you to bypass the middleman and become the source. Let us open the doors to your new home factory. Number 10. Automatic wire stripping machine. Copper is one of the most valuable metals on Earth, and millions of tons of it are thrown away inside old cables every year. The automatic wire stripping machine turns that trash into cash. Unlike manual stripping, which is slow and dangerous, this machine feeds scrap wire through hardened blades to slice the insulation. You simply pull the bare bright copper out the other side. The Stripmeister model linked here is a legend in the scrapping community and costs $390. It attaches to any standard power drill to run at industrial speeds. It handles everything from thin 18-gauge wire up to thick industrial cables. Your business model is simple. You collect free scrap wire from electricians or renovation sites and strip it in your garage. You then sell the pure copper to recycling centers for 3 or 4 times the price of unstripped wire. It is the closest thing to printing money from garbage. Number 9. Handheld inkjet printer gun. Every product sold in stores needs a batch number and an expiry date or a barcode. Big factories use massive conveyor belt coding systems, but small businesses are often stuck writing these by hand. You can solve their problem with the handheld inkjet printer gun. This device looks like a sci-fi scanner. You simply pull the trigger and swipe it across any surface. It prints sharp, durable text or QR codes instantly on glass and metal and plastic or cardboard. This Ben-Safe portable unit is priced at $180. It uses solvent-based, quick, dry ink that does not smear. The income potential comes from offering a product compliance service to local honey sellers and craft brewers or cosmetic makers. They cannot get their products into supermarkets without proper coding. You can charge a fee to visit their workshop and professionally code their entire inventory in minutes using this handheld tool. Number 8. Cardboard shredding and recycling machine. E-commerce is booming and every package needs protection. Bubble wrap is expensive and terrible for the planet. The cardboard shredding machine offers a green alternative. It eats up used shipping boxes and converts them into flexible perforated netting mats. These mats are excellent shock absorbers for packing fragile items. You can find heavy-duty desktop versions on Alibaba for around $1,500. This machine turns your waste stream into a revenue stream. If you receive a lot of boxes, you can stop paying for dumpster services and start selling eco-friendly packing material to local shipping centers or eBay sellers. You create a closed-loop system where waste cardboard enters in high-value sustainable packaging needs. It is a business that saves money and makes money simultaneously. Number 7. Bath Bomb Bubble Block Ball Press Machine. The cosmetic industry loves bath bombs, but making them by hand is a nightmare. They often crack or crumble and differ in size. A pneumatic bath bomb press brings factory consistency to your kitchen table. This machine uses air pressure to compress baking soda and citric acid powder into rock, hard, perfectly spherical spheres in split seconds. This industrial-grade press kit on AliExpress sells for $1,050. It includes the molds and the foot pedal control. One person can produce hundreds of units per hour with zero fatigue. Because the pressure is so high, the bath bombs are durable enough to ship without breaking. You can launch a wholesale business supplying boutique hotels and gift shops for subscription boxes. With raw materials being cheap and the finished product selling for $5 or more, the margins are exceptionally healthy. Number 6. Automatic label applicator for round bottles. There is nothing that screams amateur more than a crooked label. For small beverage companies or essential oil sellers, applying labels by hand is the bottleneck that slows down growth. The automatic label applicator solves this instantly. You place a bottle on the rollers and pull the handle. The machine spins the bottle and applies the sticker perfectly straight without any bubbles. The Zonison semi-automatic model is a staple in the industry and costs $380. It works on wine bottles and spice jars and cosmetic tubes. You can set up a white label service where you buy generic products in bulk and relabel them for corporate clients or wedding favors. Or you can offer a labeling service to other small producers who hate doing this tedious task manually. It turns a minutes-long process into a 2-second job. Number 5. Fiber laser marking machine. CO2 lasers work on wood, but engraving metal requires a fiber laser. These machines permanently mark steel, aluminum, gold, and hard plastics, making them ideal for serial numbers, tumblers, and jewelry. A 20-watt desktop unit like the Marker B4 costs about $1,400 and has no bits to wear out. It can engrave QR codes or photos in seconds. The opportunity is in B2B work, from marking parts for machine shops to personalizing rings and watches, delivering a durable finish that stickers cannot match. Number 4. Desktop injection molding machine. Injection molding is how almost every plastic item in your house was made, but usually it requires machines the size of a bus. Now you can get desktop injection molding machines that fit on a workbench. These machines melt plastic pellets and force them into a metal mold to create real production quality parts. Manual pneumatic versions on Alibaba start around $350. While they are slower than big factory machines, they are perfect for short runs of specialized parts. You can make custom fishing lures or replacement knobs for vintage electronics or action figure accessories. You can even use recycled plastic from shredded milk jugs. This machine makes you a true manufacturer capable of producing thousands of identical plastic items that are ready for retail. Number 3. Digital paper creasing and perforating machine. Thick paper often cracks when folded because it was not creased first. A digital paper creasing machine presses a clean channel into the stock so it folds perfectly without damaging the print, making it essential for invitations, brochures, and greeting cards. This $660 automatic feeder model from Bever's pulls sheets from a stack, runs them at high speed, and can also perforate paper for coupons or tickets. It lets you offer print finishing services to photographers and designers who print in-house but lack professional folding equipment, helping their work look truly premium. Number 2. Automatic coil winding machine. Electronics is everywhere, and one component shows up in almost everything: the copper coil. From guitar pickups to transformers and electromagnets, winding coils by hand is inconsistent and impractical. An automatic coil winding machine solves this by spinning a bobbin and guiding wire with precise control. You can buy a computer-controlled winder on AliExpress for about $350. Enter the number of turns and speed, and it does the rest. This enables a small but profitable niche: boutique guitar pickups. Musicians pay premium prices for vintage tone, and this machine lets you build high-end audio components from a small workspace. Number 1. Vertical form fill seal sachet machine. We end with the ultimate packaging solution: the vertical form fill seal machine. This is the robot that makes those little sachets of sugar or soy sauce or shampoo samples. It takes a roll of plastic film and forms it into a tube, then fills it with your product and seals it shut. It does this continuously, producing thousands of finished bags per hour. Commercial units are available on Made in China for around $4,500. This machine allows you to offer single-serve packaging for food startups. A local coffee roaster might want to sell sample packs. A supplement company might need daily dose protein powder packs. Instead of them buying a huge machine, they hire you to package their bulk product into retail-ready sachets. It is a high-volume business that charges by the unit, meaning your income scales directly with the speed of the machine. The barrier to entry for manufacturing is crumbling. These 10 machines prove you do not need acres of space to run a factory, just the right technology and the drive to start. From laser metal marking to air-powered bath bomb presses, production is now in your hands. Which mini factory would you install at home? Let me know in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more insights